Mina no Nihongo Vocabs Lesson 6. Tabimasu, eat. Nomimasu, drink. Soimasu, smoke. Mimasu, see, look, watch. Kikimasu, hear, listen. Yomimasu, read. Kakimasu, write, draw, paint. Kaimasu, buy. Torimasu, take a photo. Shimasu, do. Aimasu, meet. Gohan, a meal, cooked rice. Asagohan, breakfast. Hirogohan, lunch. Bangohan, supper. Pan, bread. Tamago, egg. Niku, meat. Sakana, fish. Yasai, vegetable. Kodamono, fruit. Mizu, water. Ocha, tea, green tea. Kocha, black tea. Gyonyu, miroku, milk. Joso, juice. Biru, beer. Osake, alcohol, Japanese rice wine. Video, video. Ega, movie. CD, CD. Tigami, letter. Reputo, report. Shashin, photograph. Misi, store, shop. Risottoran, restaurant. Niwa, garden. Shokodai, homework. Tenesu, tennis. Saka, soccer. Ohanami, cherry blossom viewing. Nani, what? Ishini, together. Chotto, a little while, a little bit. Itsumo, always, usually. Tokidoki, sometimes. Sorikara, after that, and then. Yes. Ii desu ne. That's good. Wakarimashita. I see. Nan desu ka? Yes. Ja mata. See you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe at Japanese Learning Hub. God bless.